Hi, I'm here today to talk about spirituality and what is perceived as spirituality. For me, spirituality is about animism, it's about nature, it's about being brought to planet Earth and embodied in this physical, beautiful body that we have, and to come here and commune with nature, plants and the elements. Air, fire, earth, water and ether, like Ayurveda and like all of the ancient beautiful structures of healing and of biofield energy, and we know it now as quantum physics. This is ancient knowledge and information that is here for our empowerment, for us to remember these beautiful, beautiful tools and techniques that we can bring in and use on a daily basis, such as herbalism, how we eat natural food, creating and growing our own food, foraging, nourishing ourselves with the water, live, living water. So the things that we consume and bring in to our bodies, also what our eyes see, such as removing things like unnecessary or negative imprints from videos, online videos, all of that, which can come in through the eyes and just really make a negativity within your life. Then what we need is internal arts to grow our energy, to grow our power, to our intuition, our health. And with this it comes with yoga, qigong, meditation, breath work, and all walking in nature, gardening. Obviously this is one of the most important things that we can do, is sitting in nature, gardening in nature, foraging and connecting with nature itself. Nothing we need is out there, it's all here and it's all ready for us to connect to. So I'd like you to share your experiences in the comments below. Please like the video, please give me a thumbs up, like my channel, and come along for more beautiful videos, and thank you for watching.